Welcome, Jim Whitaker here again. It's hard to believe we're already to the customization of our blog, and here's where we see it all start to come together. Today we're going to talk about how to uh, find a theme for your blog and find a good one. So here's our blog, and if you remember correctly, we got our domain name, and we just put a /WP login.php, and it comes up. We're going to enter our username and password, click login, and there we are. Now what we want to do, let's go up here and look again. Here's our blog with our simple WordPress theme on it. It's very boxy, and one of the things that you're not going to understand now if you're just starting out, but you have to add a lot of plugins to make these themes work really well. And the more plugins you add, the slower your site's going to be. So what I prefer to do is use what's called a premium theme, and that is Woo Themes. Now I'm going to show you how to upload Woo Themes, but first I just want to show you a little bit about this. Is a Woo Themes screen, and you can go through. They have 126 different themes to choose from, and they're adding new themes every month. But one of the nice things, you're watching this video because you find that video is helpful in learning. With Woo Themes, they have a ton of videos that show you how to use their websites. So if you ever get stumped on one section or another, you have all of these videos to turn to. And we're not going to get into all the ins and outs of working the theme. We're doing a basic setup right now. But that's one of the reasons I use Woo Themes. So to install the theme, as far as the Woo theme goes, what you need to do is once you find a theme now, one of the other nice things, you want to do the one time. It has a choice if you could do a monthly subscription, but you could do a one-time fee, and you pick a theme and you get 2 bonus themes with it. So you could get 3 themes that are going to last you for a long time. You can use them on as many blogs as possible, but they come with all the plugins. Plugins are things that we're going to talk about in the next video, but they help your site to work automatically, and they do things like search engine optimization where you don't need to know anything about it. Google Analytics, Google Sitemaps are going to do all these things that need to be done for your site to get indexed, for you to get traffic and customers and leads and sales automatically. And Woo Themes is already loaded with those things, and it's very easy to use. And once you set one up, you'll be able, if you continue to use Woo Themes, you'll be able to breeze right through them of setting up multiple websites in no time at all. But I have an account here already, so when you want to get your Woo themes, once you've picked them and set up an account, just go to download themes, and it's going to come up with your themes. And what I'm going to use on this website, it's called Fresh News. Just click on this download button right here, and then it's going to ask you to save the file, and that's what you're going to do. I've already downloaded it, but you're going to just click OK, and it's going to create a zip file, which is what you want. If you don't understand, it's just going to be a little box like this that's going to be in your downloads. So let's go back to our website. Now we're in the dashboard. And to load this theme in, we go to Appearance and then click on Themes. And you're going to come up with this screen right here, where you're going to probably have the 2010 theme installed automatically by WordPress on your blog. But what we want to do is install a new theme. So we go up to Install Themes, and we're going to go over to the first button after search. It says Upload, and then we're going to browse. And what you're going to do, you could have saved that website to your desktop, but I just leave it to downloads. And you go through your downloads, and right here is the Fresh News. It's that little box, and it's a zip file, and that's the way you're going to upload it. You just double click on it, It's there in the browse and click install now. Okay, it's installed. You can preview it to see what it's going to look like on your website. There it is. You can see how much different it looks than just a standard WordPress, a free theme. And we'll get through why that is in the next session. But so what we want to do is we want to use this theme, so we're going to activate it. So now it is our theme. And this is one of the really nice things about it. Your theme, you'll see fresh news here. You have all of these choices of options that you can do with your website. And there's not a lot that you have to change, but there's simple changes like just clicking the text title box, clicking the site description box. And what that does is when we come up to our site, there you see it has our title and our description, our WordPress, our search box already over here, and this is our basic site. It's changed from that. It goes all the way across the screen, not just the 900 pixels wide. Your header goes all the way across, which makes it look much more professional. Now we can go back and we can change the default as far as colors and things like that. You just click to make it black and blue instead of chrome, and we can go up to our website and look at it, and there you see it changed the entire look that easily. Now some of the things I'm just going to show you, we're going to talk about plugins tomorrow, but a lot of the plugins that are already here on this website I want to show you. For the main thing is search engine optimization. This site already comes search engine optimized, so you don't need a plugin to add to it to make that work, to get your site to rank on Google and the other search engines for your keywords. So you come in, you just, again, it's going to fill in your blog title. You can put in a blog description. We're just using category archives as indexing meta tags, and that's something you don't need to understand. It's just something that you go through and you do each time you set up a Woo theme. Your homepage description, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to fill in a custom description here. And what this allows me to do is get in my tags and keywords that I want to use to get my site ranked on Google. So it gives me a lot more options here as far as what to put in for a description than just using the WordPress description. And then on my single page post, I would just use automatically for my post and page, so I don't even have to worry about that. It'll automatically put together a description for me. And then I would put together a global page description just in case there were no other words for it to use. So we would have a generic list and description for our website. And then keyword meta tags. Google does not use keywords, but other search engines do now. So the same thing you would go through here. And like I said, Woo has videos that show you how to walk right through this. So I'm not going to get into that. I just want to show you that this is one less plugin you need. So your website is going to run a little more efficiently, probably optimize a little bit better because it's all built in to work exactly with this website. You can manage your sidebars and your titles very easily. You can put a different sidebar for each page very easily with this little tool right here. And we'll get into that in later, more advanced sessions, but for right now, I just want to show you the advantages of a Woo theme. So let's go back and take a look at our site one more time. Now, that pretty much ends adding a theme to the website. Tomorrow we're going to talk about plugins, and if you do not have a Woo theme, I'm going to talk about the top 10 plugins that you're going to need to add to your website if you use a free theme, and how to do it, and what they're going to do for you, the advantage of having them. So until then, if you got value out of this video, leave a comment below. If there's something you'd like to know that you haven't learned yet, let me know. Take care. I'll see you next time.